Hi, my name's Andrew Irving, and I'm a second year at the Lindner College of Business studying entrepreneurship. If you're creative, driven, and interested in starting your own business or bringing new ideas to life, the entrepreneurship major could be the perfect fit for you. The Bachelor of Business Administration and Entrepreneurship is designed to prepare students for the fast-paced world of new ventures and innovation. You'll learn how to develop ideas, evaluate opportunities, and build businesses from the ground up while understanding how entrepreneurship impacts the broader economy. The program focuses on practical, real-world applications of entrepreneurship. You'll explore topics like idea development, business planning, and venture creation, while also learning how to think critically, solve problems, and manage projects effectively. At Lindner, entrepreneurship is more than just a major, it's a mindset. You'll have opportunities to collaborate, innovate, and even pair this major with another area of business to expand your career options and create unique opportunities for yourself. Graduates are prepared to launch their own ventures or work within organizations that interact with startups and small businesses. This flexibility allows you to pursue careers across industries while applying entrepreneurial thinking in any role. If you're ready to turn ideas into action and make an impact, the entrepreneurship major can help you build the skills to succeed.